Hello friends, in this video I am providing you some very important tips regarding English speaking. If you want to learn English and want to become fluent in English speaking, then this video is for you. Learning how to speak fluent, confident and natural English is an achievable goal. Every English learner is different, but there are a number of easy ways to improve in a reasonably short period of time. 7 very important tips on English speaking fluently and confidently. Tip number 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers make mistakes. Tip number 2. Practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test out your spoken English. There are many videos and there are many books regarding English speaking guided by a professional teacher. They are a great way to practice English speaking and learn faster in a safe environment. Tip number 3. Listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You will start speaking more fluently and confidently in English conversations. Learning how to give your opinions in English with new expressions and idioms. Tip number 4. Celebrate success. Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how small, will help you improve your skills over time. Be proud of your progress. These first 4 tips help provide the best way to start English speaking with ease. The following 3 steps, I am giving you next 3 steps will help take your English speaking skills to the next level. Tip number 5 is think in English. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. You will find it difficult at first, but after some time you will learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language. Number 6. Talk to yourself. It will look funny, but by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror for each day, you will learn to pronounce every letter in the English alphabet, plus when and how to use different expressions. You will also learn where you make most of the mistakes. And tip number 7, tongue twisters. Tongue twisters help improve your diction, teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky sayings like this. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.